Okay, so I am like recording differently. I have my camera like right next to me and I'm trying to like, I don't know, it's hard. I'm looking into the mirror trying to record and I feel like I'm like wandering off looking everywhere else. My son is behind me, so if you see him, hear him, he's in the room with me. He just woke up from a nap. But okay, so I almost forgot this. Oh my gosh, I gotta show you guys this. Okay. Okay, so I had told you guys in my previous videos that I will link up above that I was admitted to the hospital when I went to go see my specialist and stuff, and then I had my baby like 3 days later, pretty much. So I had him early, 35 weeks, and I didn't have anything packed. Like I had a list and stuff and I knew where everything was, but I didn't have it in a bag yet. Like literally the week after, when I hit 36 weeks, I was just gonna pack my stuff to try to be prepared and everything like that, but that didn't happen. So I had to like call my husband and we had to FaceTime, and I was like, okay, here's my list that I have, and then you have to go get it like in between all these rooms and everywhere. So he had to like find everything for me, put them in the bag, and then yeah, he didn't get to the hospital till like later on that night and stuff. But I'm so happy I made a list. So the biggest thing I can say is if you have like iPhone or whatever, where you can have a notepad and stuff and like little bubble to check mark things off, that helped me out so much, because we went through the list and every time he would grab something, I would check it off and stuff to make sure I had everything that I wanted that was on my list. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up my notes, and the first thing on the list is snacks. So definitely want to bring snacks for like yourself and for your partner. I feel like that's like a big thing, especially before like for me, I knew I could eat and stuff before I had like the epidural and stuff, like until a certain time when I had to stop eating. So we made sure we had snacks and everything. I just ate the hospital food. I feel like the hospital here, their food wasn't bad, but I can't speak for the other hospitals. So bring snacks, bring food from home, whatever. My hospital, they had a fridge, so if you brought stuff from home, they just put your name on it, and then when you wanted your food from the fridge, you just call your nurse and they would bring it to you and stuff. So that was pretty nice, and just made me feel more comfortable and stuff, since I was there Thursday and I wasn't gonna have my C-section till that Saturday. So yeah, they made me feel really comfortable. So snacks. Next thing is not mandatory, but I wanted to bring my own water container or water cup, tumbler, whatever. And this is my Stanley cup, and this color I am obsessed with. This one is called Driftwood. I think they still have some available, or you can find it on Stanley's website, which I will link, or they have it on Amazon as well, and I think this color is still in stock. But it's a 40-ounce tumbler. It keeps your water, drinks, everything cold. You don't put anything hot in it. It's just for cold stuff. But the nurses were nice enough to fill it up for me and stuff, and everything. So definitely brought my own stuff that I just wanted to have. This is just like a me thing, where I just wanted the tones, and you guys know everything for me is like pretty much neutral and stuff. So it just made me feel more comfy and cozy, and that's what I wanted to bring. Okay, so next thing was socks. Definitely bring your socks and stuff, pretty much your everyday things that you pretty much use, like your toothbrush, toothpaste, hairbrush. I brought a straightener, and what else did I bring? Well, my husband packed it for me, but I brought a straightener. He brought me the straightener, and had washed my hair and stuff there. So I brought I packed my hair products and everything to wash my hair, because I knew I was going to be there for a few days before having my C-section. So that stuff worked out for me. So all the things that you use daily basis, I would bring, like deodorant, if you have a lotion or perfume that you like to put on and stuff. Definitely bring that and everything. Definitely bring some always Pampers adult brand. I'll leave that in the link down below. That was awesome. I did use the hospital stuff. Their pads were like this long, and then they have like a mesh underwear and stuff. I used that for like 2 days, and then I just switched over to what I bought, and that was just more comfortable to change and stuff instead of just like ripping out this big old like pad, and it was just folding everywhere. It was just a mess. Those are like a mess, I feel like. But yeah, so anyways, okay, since I was gonna be there for a few days, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting stuff to the side. Since I was gonna be there for a few days, I wanted to have a few like pajama options and stuff and just switch them out. So I bought these. I have found these at Ross. So some shorts and stuff. Just something comfortable to be in. They're gonna be hooked up to monitors and stuff and everything on your stomach, and I just want to be comfy and cozy. So I think I brought 2 or 3 pairs of pajamas that I felt the most comfortable in and just more relaxed. And these are my favorite pajamas, the silky PJs. I got these from Target. So it just comes with a like a top, just one of these tops and shorts. And then I was waiting for my parents to get there because they actually found the robe, because literally everywhere in my area was sold out of my size. So it has a robe as well. So if I can find all this, I will definitely link it down below. I also packed another robe. So honestly, you don't have to pack this many robes, but I packed 2 robes and I did wear both robes. So I found this waffle one at H&M, and everything, guys, will be linked. Like I've been saying, everything will be linked as long as I can find it. But it's just the waffle material, and it goes past my knees. I got a small medium. It is very oversized. The arms are kind of like pretty big and stuff. They're just like a bigger like style, but I like it and stuff. And I when I had to walk down to the NICU, if I wanted to, I just wore my robe and just walked down the hall to the NICU. And I was just really comfortable going down there. my going home outfit was very comfortable, and I found this at H&M. So it is this long sleeve flowy top, and I've showed you this, guys. I've showed you this before in a haul, I believe. And then I have the matching pants, super stretchy and comfortable, and this went over my C-section because I just wanted to be super comfortable. C-section was nothing to play with because yes, it does hurt. Especially for those first few weeks and stuff. I definitely was like having some pains and all that stuff. Okay, let's move on to your house shoes, slippers. I definitely brought some slippers. These are the ones that I brought. If I can find these ones, I will link them down below. They are not the real thing, they are a dupe, but they are comfy and they have like a hard bottom, and I just loved it, and they were comfy and stuff. Don't forget to bring some like sandals or something like that for getting in the shower. Sometimes just the hospital showers aren't always like the best, I feel like, or you feel like they're just kind of still dirty, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, definitely bring that. Next thing I had brought, I had a black fan, but I don't have it in my bag right now. I honestly don't know where my black fan is. I bought it from Amazon for like $9, and it's one of those things that like stretch around. You can bend them and stuff, and it's for your, you can put it on your hospital bed. That way at nighttime, if you're hot, it can just blow on you, or if you're like, if you're giving birth and you have an extra fan on you and stuff. So I had that. Even though I didn't do a vaginal birth, I did a C-section, still at night I was still like hot, so I had that fan. It wasn't like doing it for me, so I asked the hospital if they had another fan or something, and y'all, they brought me this big old fan. I mean, it's not that big, but still, they brought me this fan, and it clamped to my table that like rolls next to you and stuff, and you're like, it's pretty much your tray that you eat your food off of and everything, and they clamped it on there, and this fan was doing its job. So, and then one of the nurses was like, yeah, you can take that home with you when you leave, and I was like, what? This is mine. So I definitely brought this fan home with me. Next thing, we're gonna go into some baby items, which is like really exciting to like figure out what you want to bring home for your baby and stuff. So I had picked out, I think I picked out like 2 or 3 outfits, but I just picked out the two that I remember actually packing. So I have this cute onesie and stuff, and this is a newborn size. My baby was preemie, so he was actually he was too small for it and stuff, but I ended up not going with this one to have him go home in, but it was just really cute. Just to, you know, have an idea of like maybe what you want your baby to wear to go home, or like when you're at the hospital stay, if you're staying longer than the normal, then you have a few options. But this is the outfit that he actually went home in, and I got it from Carter's, and it's honestly my favorite onesie, and it comes with a hat too, and it's just the neutrals, the neutral vibe and everything, and he looks so cute in it. I loved it so much I actually got that one in a size 6 months, so I have 2 of them now. Next thing I brought was some pacifiers. Not all babies take pacifiers at the hospital. In the NICU, he was taking the pacifiers from the hospital, but I brought my own, and I have a moon, and then I have another one, but it's downstairs. It's a cloud, and you just attach your pacifier to it, and it's just really, really cute. And yeah, so I took pictures with him with his pacifiers and stuff when we were going to go home. I packed 2 blankets. One that was more thicker, and I actually did like some embroidery, or I tried to do embroidery on it with his like initials and stuff. Came out really cute and everything. And I had embroidered his name on another blanket. This is a muslin blanket, and you can swaddle your babies and stuff in it. So there's his name on the blanket and everything like that. I tried to swaddle, but he was so tiny, and this blanket is just really big for him and stuff. So anyways, brought 2 baby blankets, and then I did bring a Boppy. I've heard other moms like say they brought their Boppies. It was easier to breastfeed, and they just kind of put the baby on there and stuff. So I did use it like once when I was in the NICU, so I just wrapped it around and had my baby and trying to feed him and stuff. So it's not necessary that you need to bring it, but I mean, if you want to try it out and stuff, if you're at the hospital for a few days, then I mean, why not? And then I did bring a blanket for myself. I will link this blanket down below. I love this blanket so much. I got it from Target online. I don't think they sell this one in stores, but I got it online, and I loved it, and I definitely felt like I had just like a piece of home with me when I was at the hospital for some days. Next thing I brought was I bought this tote bag. I was sending people like pictures of how massive this thing was. I bought it from Zara, and I was like, dang, is this too big for like, you know, a tote bag? I was thinking it was gonna be smaller. So if you buy something from Zara, make sure you look at the dimensions, because y'all, I didn't know it was gonna be this big. But honestly, it fit everything that I needed and then some. So that was really nice, and I just love the fluffiness of it and stuff. I'm also gonna leave this link down below. I had extra pacifiers, and so you just put this on your bag, and then you put your pacifiers in it. It's just to hold them and stuff, and they won't come out and everything, and it's just neutral, and they have other colors as well on Amazon. So I love that. This is just really cute and stuff. I'll try to link something similar to the bag, but I think they were all sold out of that one. Next thing, if you want to vlog or like take pictures, and if it's only you and your spouse in the room and you have no one else to take a picture, definitely purchase one of the like phone holders like this. This one actually extends out. It comes with a remote and stuff that you can just put it on your table, and you can start taking pictures and stuff of you and your spouse, or just of you. I definitely did that, and it's definitely more stable, and it just goes on your table or wherever you want to put the stand at. So I feel like this really came in handy, because I did vlog a little bit and definitely took pictures. Or when I was like FaceTiming people, like my family and stuff, instead of like holding my phone, I was just put this on the table and I was just hands free and I didn't have to worry about it. So definitely think about that. That was like a game changer for me. And I think the last thing was makeup. I wanted to be glowy and stuff for my C-section. I just wanted to feel like myself and stuff and just feel really pretty and everything. And so you guys seen this before. I used the Sun Balm Glow 30, and you can buy this at Ulta, and I just love that so much. And then I used the Charlotte Tilbury, pretty much just apply that all over my face, and it just gives me the most beautiful glow. And I'm in the shade 4 medium, just for reference. And then I use my lip liner, Endless Cacao from Makeup Forever. And then on top I use the Sephora brand cream lip stain in number 32. So I love that. And I think the last thing I can recommend, or like this is what I brought to the hospital, is a lip balm. Your lips definitely get chapped when you're in the hospital and stuff. So just bring a lip balm, Vaseline, whatever you like to use on your lips. What I use is the Summer Fridays, and this is the lip butter balm, and it smells so good, like a vanilla scent. So it smells really, really good, and I love it so much. And it has like the best applicator ever and stuff, and just easy to apply. So I definitely pack this and use that. And I think that was everything that I had pretty much packed. My husband had his own little bag and his blanket and stuff. So those are some things that you can like bring for your spouses, like an extra blanket if you want to. When we went to our postpartum room, they had another bed in that room for your spouse or whoever is going to be sleeping in the room with you and stuff. So they have their own bed. At least my hospital did. I honestly don't know how other hospitals work, like what they have in their postpartum rooms, but my hospital had the extra bed and everything, and so that was really nice to have and everything. Don't forget, I'm remembering, this is on my list, do not, I repeat, do not forget your long charger. You need to have a charger that reaches from the wall behind you and then it reaches like to your bed and stuff, so you can charge your phone or charge whatever that you need. Bring the long charger, definitely, because if you're there for a few days, or like, you know, obviously your battery's gonna go down and stuff, and you need to charge it. And if you have to stay in bed or whatever, you're able to charge it in bed. So these are my recommendations. This is what I brought. This is honestly, I feel like it wasn't too much and stuff. This was like necessary for me to have and everything, and it worked out. I pretty much used everything that I brought and then some. So yeah, hopefully I didn't miss anything. I feel like I didn't and stuff, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments what you brought to your hospital for your birth and everything, or what you plan on bringing that maybe that I didn't pack, or maybe I just forgot to mention, because it has been 2 months. I mean, I'm 2 months postpartum and I'm finally making this video, so I'm just kind of like scatterbrained, but although I have my list and stuff, but still. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.